Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to put your English skills to the test with a present simple tense quiz. Let's see how many you can get right. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Let's jump in.
She to the market every Saturday morning.
The correct answer is goes. For singular subjects she, we add "-es" to verbs ending in "o".
They football in the park on weekends.
The correct answer is play. Use the base form of the verb with plural subjects like they.
He not likes spicy food.
The correct answer is does. Use does, auxiliary verb, for negative sentences with third-person singular subjects.
I'm reading a fascinating book right now.
The correct answer is am. In present continuous, use am with the subject I.
You speak Spanish fluently.
The correct answer is do. Use do to start questions with the subject you.
We usually breakfast at 7 a.m.
The correct answer is eat. Use the simple present tense for habitual actions.
My brother, a doctor at the local hospital.
The correct answer is is. Use is for singular subjects when using the verb to be.
The baby, whenever he is hungry.
The correct answer is cries. Change Y to as for third-person singular verbs ending in a consonant plus Y.
Look, it is outside.
The correct answer is snowing. Present continuous actions use the verb plus ing ending.
We want to go to the party tonight.
The correct answer is do not. Use do not for negative sentences with we.
The train the station at 9 p.m. tonight.
The correct answer is leaves. Simple present is used for fixed timetables and schedules.
The answer to this difficult question.
The correct answer is no. Stative verbs like no are usually not used in continuous forms.
She arrives late to class. She is very punctual.
The correct answer is never. Frequency adverbs like never differ from main verbs but modify the meaning.
Please be quiet. The baby is.
The correct answer is sleeping. Use present continuous for actions happening at the exact moment of speaking.
A brand new sports car.
The correct answer is has. Has is the third person singular form of the verb have.
Does she like coffee? Yes, she.
The correct answer is does. Use does in short affirmative answers for third person singular.
Sarah her teeth twice a day.
The correct answer is brushes. Adds to verbs ending in ish for third person singular subjects.
Cats to sleep in the warm sun.
The correct answer is like. Plural subjects cats take the base form of the verb.
The students studying in the library right now.
The correct answer is are. Use are as the helping verb for plural subjects in continuous tense.
They live in London.
The correct answer is don't. Don't is the contraction of do not, used for plural subjects in questions.
My father to work by bus every day.
correct answer is goes. Third-person singular subjects take is for verbs ending in o.
They speak French very well.
The correct answer is do not. Use do not for plural subjects like they in negative sentences.
John play the guitar?
The correct answer is does. Use the auxiliary does for questions with singular names.
We often movies on Friday nights.
The correct answer is watch. Plural subjects take the base verb in the present simple.
Water at 100 degrees Celsius.
The correct answer is boils. General truths and scientific facts use the present simple tense.
They speak French very well.
The correct answer is do not. Use do not for plural subjects like they in negative sentences.
John play the guitar?
The correct answer is does. Use the auxiliary does for questions with singular names.
We often movies on Friday nights.
The correct answer is watch. Plural subjects take the base verb in the present simple.
Water at 100 degrees Celsius.
The correct answer is boils. General truths and scientific facts use the present simple tense.